Alright guys, just thought it's never super duper clean, but just right now while we are doing a little just dealing with some files, I just thought I'd show you a few of the things that I use here at my workstation pretty much all the time. I mean, of course we're going to be using the hot air station. This is what's gonna enable us to really get those high temperatures that melts the solder for us, right? Also, this here is the Hakko FM203 dual station, so this can hold two. That's right, folks, two at the same time soldering irons. I use here this tip here, whatever that tip might be, and then the micro pencil here, whatever that tip might be. If you guys want to know things like about what tips do I use and all that, well then just leave me a comment down below and I might respond. I use stuff like Gootwick. That's right, the Gootwick. So we use many different wicks. I use this here, this preheater, this WL120A. Yep, and this bad boy here, rocking power supply. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And then I use this to just sort of heat things. A lot of this stuff is held together with adhesive and that. Of course, I've got my Fluke multimeter down here, my benchtop meter. That's right, that's the baby right there. And yeah, I use that sucker. And here's some Chip Quick Flux for you. A few of the various tools here. Oh yeah, you got your microscope here. Of course, for me, I like to have my little skull here. That's right, my skull keeps everything rocking. If you guys want to know how I'm looking, just ask the skull, he'll let you know. Of course, we've got the multimeter probes here, the fine tip probes. These are made by Fluke. These are pretty sharp. Stabbed myself with that more than once. Of course, here I've got the flashlight in case you need to if you need to see anything, just let me know. And I do use the microscope camera. Do get a lot of use out of that. Of course, you can see I've got another little webcam on a tripod there. Got another little cam here. We got another little cam hanging out up here. So yeah, we're just building the stuff as we go along. And yeah, here's some of the jumper wire that we use. So yeah, we even use scissors. We use scissors in this. You know, everybody likes to show off their tools, right? So I use scissors, man. So if you got a set of scissors, let me know. Shout out to the scissors, dude.